Inspirational message for school assembly. Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Today I want to share a message that I hope will inspire you as much as it inspires me. Let me start with a simple story. There was a young girl who loved to draw. She wasn't very good at it at first, and many people told her she would never be an artist. But she didn't listen to them. She kept drawing every day, learning from her mistakes, and slowly her drawings got better and better. That young girl grew up to be a famous artist, and her name is Frida Kahlo. Frida's story teaches us a powerful lesson. Never give up on your dreams, no matter what others say. Sometimes things might seem hard. You might feel like giving up, but remember, every expert was once a beginner. Every success story started with a person who decided to try. Think about the things you love to do. Whether it's playing a sport, writing stories, or even solving math problems, keep practicing. Believe in yourself and your abilities. You have the power to achieve great things. Remember, it's not about how fast you get there, but about how much effort you put in. Even small steps can lead to big achievements. So as we go through our day, let's keep this in mind. Let's support each other, work hard, and never stop believing in our dreams. Thank you and have a wonderful and inspiring day ahead.